Okay, I'm going to try my hand at this video. This is the telescoping part. I'll send 3 of them. You can put whatever you want to on this card and just insert it in this plastic sleeve. For example, the card could say a check mark, I'm done, or hey, I need help, or let me alone. Individually, the person can control their own communication with the paraprofessionals by this. I'll send 3. And if they work, I've got some more. What you're going to be getting are 2 packs of the completed ones that'll look something like this, single edition with pictures, and in there will be a bunch of these guys. They're laminated already. What they need is someone to, I've laminated a few, but to laminate both ends of these so that the question can then be placed right in here. And what you will have to do is kind of sort out how many you want in each task box. A suggestion would be that I would put the instructions where they wouldn't get lost right on the lid. Seems like a cool way of doing that. So again, there'll be a set on single digit addition and single digit subtraction. Now, I only had time to get some done, but maybe you get your paraprofessionals to help you with the others. So I send copies. This one is laminated, so you could cut out the numbers you want there. Now, a caution, when you're cutting these out, leave a little margin between the two so they'll stick together. Then I took a group of 5, assuming you wanted 5 questions in the assessment, and I call this our AA assessment part here. The nice part about it is you could write on the assessment with these dry erase markers. These are very cool. They have all kind of neat stuff in there that you can dry erase on them, and if they dry out, put the cap on, they stay for a while, and they're magnetic. So they're really cool, and they're a little bit smaller, so the answers then could be written on here and easily erased. Let me try one. Okay, so I'm going to put the answer here. 4 plus 6 equals, let's say, used to be 10, but I think it's 11. And so I get all my answers and write them on here. And okay, no more paper to be used. And so when I'm done, the paraprofessional comes by, assigns a grade, and then this stuff's got a back of it. It's got an eraser. How cool is that? So stuff just erases right off of it. Or you always have 10 erasers on your hand, wherever you can find them. So that's so cool. So here's the assortment. You know what 2 look like. Now the paraprofessionals should be able to help you assemble 1 for each student for now. Going path forward, we can't have 10 examples of every activity. Otherwise, you'd probably need 100 or 200 boxes like this, and that's not right. So there'll be some kind of strategy where somebody today is working on addition and someone's working on what, where, when, who, and how, and whatever. Oh, included in the box are some what, where, when, who, and how. Let me get my box out here. Posters that you can, let's see, where you can actually laminate them and post them up in your room. They're pretty cool colors. And it'll start moving along, all that's going. So I hope this works, and we'll talk more. Sayonara.